Hello, I am Dr. Lalit Varad Pandey. I am a consultant medical oncologist at Medical Group of Hospitals. I deal with the medical oncology part of cancer treatment, which primarily deals with chemotherapy, targeted therapy, and other medical management of cancer patients. So, cancer is uncontrolled division of abnormal cells of the body. It can affect any part of the human body, and it can affect any age group. The most common cancer that we see are the cancer that involve the lung, prostate, breast, stomach, the GI tract, pancreas. It can also involve the blood organs, that is, it can cause leukemia and lymphomas in patients. We also get children with cancer like medulloblastomas, Hodgkin's lymphomas, acute lymphoblastic leukemias, and acute myeloid leukemias. So there are few warning signs of cancer. The most common signs are unexplained weight loss, loss of appetite, the presence of blood while coughing, any blood while passing the bowel or in the urine, any change in a mole on the skin, difficulty in swallowing, severe headache and vomiting, prolonged fever that is not respond to antibiotics. These are the few warning signs of cancer. So it all depends on what cancer a doctor is dealing with. So each cancer has its own signs and symptoms. So cancer management is divided into three types. One is the medical management, which is done by the medical oncologist, the surgical, which is done by the surgical oncologist, and radiation, which is done by the radiation oncologist. So these three form the core team of managing cancer. Apart from that, we have got the physiotherapists, we have got the dietitians, we have got the nursing care, we have got the radiology, pathology. So all of them are responsible for managing cancer. So for each cancer, again, the treatment is depend on the type of cancer and the stage of the cancer. So treatment can be either surgery, radiation, or chemotherapy, or a combination of all three. Unfortunately, cancer patients are prone for developing this major side effects of coronavirus because they are immunosuppressed. They are immunosuppressed because of two reasons. One is because of the cancer per se, and also because of treatment like chemotherapy that can suppress the immune system. So it is now advised that the guidelines are saying that only if there is emergency in managing a cancer patient, they have to come to the hospital. Otherwise, surgeries can be postponed, elective surgeries can be postponed, adjuvant chemotherapy can be postponed. So it is recommended that patients stay at home as far as possible and avoid treatment because they are at risk of developing major complications due to the virus.